right, class. So today we are going to get hands-on with mushrooms. We're going to touch mushrooms, we're going to smell mushrooms, we're going to look at mushrooms, we're going to get into mushrooms. So I'm going to pass out this sheet for you guys, and it's called Mushroom Workshop. So on the sheet, there are 3 different types of mushrooms. There's white button, and you can tell because it's a white mushroom. There's criminy, which is the second one, so you just count down 1, 2, and you can tell because it's a darker color, and there's scales, you can see right here. And then the third one, if you count down 1, 2, 3, is portobello, and you can tell because it's a lot bigger, and you guys can see some of the gills that we learned about when we identified the parts of the mushroom. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to choose any section of mushroom that you want. And in the first column, you're going to draw what you see. In the second column, you guys are going to take your paintbrushes here, and there's some paints in these cups. And you'll paint the inside of your mushroom here, and then print it on the paper so that you can see, so that you have a print to always look at. And then in the third column, when you count over 1, 2, 3, you'll write some words describing it. So you can describe what it looks like, what it smells like, how it feels in your hands, however you want to write words. So let's get started. I'm going to come around and check out what you guys are drawing, and then in a little bit, I'm going to join you guys in your activity. All right, Allison. So what mushroom are you looking at right now?
This one.
That one. That one's called a criminy mushroom. Do you remember how you can tell the difference?
This part.
Yeah, that it's scaly and it's a darker color.
It feels weird.
It does. It feels weird. Mushrooms are very
Rubbery.
It's true. Mushrooms are very different than a lot of other vegetables. So, what do you see?
I see like I don't know, this reminds me of like a potato skin. And right here is like that's harder. And then right here is softer.
Very interesting observations. All right, write them all down, and then don't forget to do your paint print. All right, Madison, what are you seeing?
This one's really big compared to the other ones.
That's true. All mushrooms come in all different shapes and sizes.
And this is gross.
That's true. Do you know what's kept inside those gills there?
No.
Spores. So when mushrooms get ready to make new mushrooms, their gills open up and the spores can be blown through the wind, or animals can eat them and poop them out, and the mushrooms will grow from there.
Gross.
Or they'll be transported through fur. So good job. Keep up the good work. All right, Brendan, what are we looking at over here?
I don't know how to say that.
So let's sound it out. So
Criminy.
Yes, criminy
Oh.
mushroom. So how can you tell it's a criminy mushroom?
Because of this darker color on the top
Mm-hmm.
and this in here, because the other one doesn't have that.
That's true. The other one has different looking gills than the criminy mushroom. You can also tell by the scales on the outside too, because the white button doesn't have that. And then the portobello has different ones. So I can see you already have one paint print. You did a great job there.
Thanks.
Let's see, so you say it's squishy and rubbery and smells funny. What does it kind of smell like?
It smells weird though.
Weird? Let's see. To me, it smells kind of earthy. Like it smells like it comes
Smells like
from
dirt.
the earth. Yes, that's a good smell too, because a lot of mushrooms you have to dig them up. All right, so let's grab my pencil. Let me see. All right, I would like to look at the portobello. So Have any of you guys? I know Madison's looked at the portobello.
I haven't yet.
What can you guys tell me about how it looks?
Big,
Big.
really big.
What about you, Allison?
It's darker than the other ones.
And then I can see the gills very closely on this mushroom compared to the other ones. So, which one has been your guys' favorite so far to look at? None of them?
I like the big one.
They're all gross. I know Madison doesn't really like mushrooms.
They feel
But
funky.
I'm very glad that you're trying and that you are using them. It's very important to try new things, even if you don't particularly like them. Right, so now that we've gotten a chance to get our hands on and look at all of the different mushrooms, we're going to come together for a short review, and I'm going to ask everybody what they saw. So what did you see? What did you smell? What does it look like? And what was your favorite? So, for the white button mushroom, the small white one, who wants to share what they saw first? Brendan.
It was kind of rubbery, like squishy,
Rubbery.
and white.
Squishy. White. All right. Allison, do you have any?
I said it smelled like dirt.
Like dirt. All right, and Madison, what about the criminy, the smaller brown one with scales? What did you see?
I thought that it was kind of like flaky feeling, like it was a bit off.
Yep, those are the scales. Brendan, do you have any observations about the criminy?
It was darker than the other ones.
And Allison, what about portobello, the big one?
It was bigger.
Bigger. Big. And Madison.
The gross part was a lot more apparent. The gills.
The gills. Gills were easier to see. All right, so to finish this up, I want to know what everybody's favorite mushroom was. So, Brendan, what was your favorite?
The white button.
All right. Allison.
Well, I didn't really like either of any of them because I don't like mushrooms, but I'll go with the white button.
All right.
The least rubbery.
And Madison.
I liked the criminy.
The criminy. All right. And then Miss Kim's favorite was the portobello. All right. Good job, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your hands-on experience with mushrooms.